Welcome to Park Time, where we reveal just how expensive "I'll just park here for a second" can really be, all caught on camera. One lazy minute can turn into an entire day of dealing with consequences. Drive smart, park responsibly, and keep your road home smooth and stress-free. At an intersection without traffic lights, both sides believed they had the right of way. Nothing wrong with the engine, just an unexpected tire quality check in the middle of the night. The car parked in the right spot. Unfortunately, the place came with a bonus smell service. Easy there, this kind of public drama takes a lot more energy than it's worth. A parking move that locked the doors, but unlocked all the emotions. He stepped out aggressively, only to realize not everyone is willing to stand still and be pushed around. He tried to teach someone a lesson on the road, but ended up learning one himself first. He picked a fight in a crowded street, and the cameras caught the exact moment he backed down. He stepped out looking ready to argue, but a few seconds later, that confidence disappeared. He kept honking and pushing forward until the response from the other side made him pause. He tried to force his way in, but the collision happened before he realized he had gone too far. They argued in the middle of traffic and ended up stuck in the very situation they created. Parking wrong was already a problem. Having someone stuck underneath made it far worse. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is control yourself. He tried to act tough with a stick, but ran into the wrong driver and ended up flat on the ground. That "no one can stop me" vibe lasted right until instant karma showed up in the middle of the street. Pushing limits like that? Even Spider-Man would be impressed by that level of stubbornness. Is he planning to reverse until sunrise? It's a tiny car, not a container truck.
No interest in pushing it.
The sign says one thing, but he did the complete opposite.
What are you gonna do, beat me up? One guy goes, another guy goes.
A small click, but one that will be remembered for a long time. He jumped out looking ready to start something physical, but one look at the other guy and the attitude disappeared instantly. Watching him quietly back away is both sad and hilarious. A normal drive suddenly turned into an action movie. Nobody seems willing to give way anymore. Parking in someone else's spot and ending up publicly embarrassed? Honestly, speechless. He tried to show off his toughness but ran into someone calm and solid. His attitude vanished instantly. Oh man, one tiny slip and you're going straight for a swim in the canal. A move straight into disaster. Limited skills but unlimited confidence. Sure, you can park however you like in your own yard, but this is a public parking lot. Never mess with someone looking for a parking spot, especially not her. That comeback left the other driver speechless. Street karma doesn't spare anyone. Block someone's way and the street might send you a surprise. After watching this clip, you realize some driver's licenses must come with a free dose of courage. This driver's logic is wild, thinking he's the center of the universe, until his wallet starts crying. How long was he planning to block the spot? The other car just slipped in anyway. Her face says it all. Wheel lock still on, but the gear already in drive. Was he testing which brakes first, the chain or the tire? Reckless parking met the wrong person. An expensive lesson, but well deserved. Why bother blocking the spot? The car backed in anyway. What did that poor pole do to deserve getting hit over and over? Small world, some drivers treat the parking lot like a training ground. The driver probably thought he was starring in an American action movie. Arguing over a few meters of road, and everyone ends up at the police station together. That hole was right there in plain sight, yet he still drove straight into it. A huge parking lot to choose from, yet he picked the one spot guaranteed to test everyone's patience. Waking up to this scene would make anyone consider just walking instead. After watching this, you start wondering if driver's licenses are way too easy to get these days. He stepped out aggressively in the middle of the road, but backed off quickly when the other driver didn't budge. He was still shouting and pointing when the situation flipped so fast he couldn't react. He tried to force his way and start trouble in a crowded street, but ended up the most confused person there. He sped through the emergency lane to save time, and paid the price seconds later on the highway. Two drivers turned the street into a bumper car game, but neither wanted to see how it really ends. A luxury car got wheel clamped for illegal parking. A driver's dignity shows in respecting the law. A collision caused by parking into the traffic lane. Safe distance also means parking within proper boundaries.
Here it comes running.
Authorities worked overnight to clear illegal parking. The law is always present, no matter where you are. Blocked a storefront and faced an angry reaction from the owner. Do not obstruct someone else's livelihood. Illegally parked car blocked street cleaning and was pushed aside. Responsible parking keeps the city clean. When you run into moments like this, sometimes all you can do is close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat, stay calm. The road is the ultimate patience test. So who here has mastered the art of staying unshaken in the middle of total traffic chaos? Confess in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Park Time!